In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to collaborate in the Asana Inbox. By the end, you'll feel confident responding to activity, messaging teammates, and keeping your updates clean and organized. Start by logging into your Asana account on your desktop. Once you're in, look to the left sidebar and click Inbox. This is your central hub for everything happening across your projects and tasks, comments, assignments, status updates, and more. So it's a great place to manage collaboration without jumping between pages. At the top of the inbox, you'll see options for Inbox and Activity. Inbox is your curated stream of updates that are most relevant to you, while Activity gives you a broader view of what's happening across your work. Choose the one that best fits what you want to review right now. This simple switch helps you focus, whether you're catching up on personal notifications or scanning wider project activity. Below, your updates are grouped by today, yesterday, and earlier. Click any notification you want to act on. When you do, the related task or update opens, giving you full context: who's involved, what's been discussed, and what needs attention. Use the comment box to type your response. Keep it clear and actionable so your teammates know exactly what you need from them. If you want to make sure someone sees your message, use an @mention to notify them directly. This tags the right person and pulls them into the conversation, which is especially helpful for approvals, handoffs, or quick clarifications. When you're done, click Send to post your message and continue collaborating right where the work lives. After you've replied, click Archive to clear the notification from your inbox. Archiving doesn't delete anything. It just removes the alert from your list so you can keep your view tidy. You can always get back to the task itself later from your projects or search. To keep your inbox workable as it grows, click the plus button at the bottom and use Filter, Sort, or Density. Filter helps you narrow down what you see, like focusing on unread updates. Sort lets you order your notifications in a way that suits your flow, such as by date. Density adjusts how compact your view is, so you can see more at once or space things out for readability. That's it. Log in, check your inbox, open the updates that matter, reply thoughtfully, tag teammates with @mentions, send, archive, and fine-tune your view to stay on top of everything. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.